So we're going to fry the chicken, which means taking the backbone of the chicken and then lying it flat on your board, and then you make some into the breast and the leg of the chicken. After making the cuts, you put some chili garlic salt into the cuts, about 1 tablespoon. And you just rub it in. After putting the chili garlic salt into the chicken cuts, we make the marinade, which is about 1 cup yogurt. Yeah, or enough to cover the chicken. And we use Ras El Hanout, which is my Ras El Hanout, and it's got 2 stars. Once you got the yogurt, you put in about 30 grams of Ras El Hanout so that you can feel, you can taste it in the chicken. Otherwise, I mean, it just won't be very, very good with you. So you put quite a bit of Ras El Hanout, stir it in. Once you put the yogurt and the Ras El Hanout, you just put the zest of the lime in. I mean, you don't have to, but since it's a shame to waste it when it's so tasty. Yeah, so I just put it in. So once you put the zest of the lime in, you have to squeeze the lime into the mixture. Once you put the lime and the lime juice in and you mix it in, you put a bit more salt. Okay, so once the marinade's done, you put the chicken inside your bowl and you turn it around and you just put the mix all over, the marinade all over the chicken. Now the chicken's marinated and we put it in the fridge until tomorrow, so 24 hours, and I'll cook it tomorrow and show you how it's done. Thanks. Hello, I'm just going to finish this recipe off now. It's a Ras El Hanout chicken with yogurt and lime. And I've taken it out of the fridge so that it becomes room temperature about half an hour before you want to cook it. And I'm going to put it on the char grill now. It looks like the pan's hot enough now. I'm going to put it in. Okay, so chicken, as you can see, is now brown, and now we're going to put it in the oven. Now in the oven, and I put it on for 40 minutes. Hi, that's my chicken with Ras El Hanout, lime, and yogurt. And yum yum, we'll have lunch.